name is Umair, and this is Mubarak, my group team member, and we are going for a challenge. We are working with SensorWorks. They have SaaS platform for financial analytic program. They are actually working with data. So their ambition is to provide customer with a security hardened environment. And our security review, our challenge is to make security review and penetration test for their SaaS platform application. Our scope is for perform security review and penetration testing for SensorWorks system. And they have provided us a URL with a big endpoint customer endpoint, and also they have provided us architecture overview and some of system components. We have some objectives. We get some inspiration from checklists, from security review and penetration test, and we also have a theory about potential vulnerability based on SensorWorks architecture and data stack. We also get some vulnerability from Google, but we compare their vulnerabilities with the SensorWorks internal structure and the application stack. After that, we have some list attack vector for the SensorWorks system, and then we try to perform penetration test against the SensorWorks system. After that, we summarize our result after penetration and some vulnerability. So next, I would like to call Mubarak, so he will explain more in this.
Thank you very much, Ibrahim. So we are given these 6 objectives by direct contact of SensorWorks robot to work with. So, and those are the objectives that we have tried to work with. So, to bring insight into security review and penetration testing, we started by looking at the common security review standards in the industry. So, the available methodology for security review is the WAPS, which is the Open Web Application Security Project. We have the Implemented Industry Data Security Standard and the OSSTMN. So we have decided to go with the OWASP for this particular security review and penetration testing because it's the most common standard for web application and security review and testing. So in every couple of years, they carry out some reports and based on statistics.
Ska jag stänga ner och starta upp den igen?
Ja.
Ja, bra.
Web application. So those are the top 10 in 2017 and top 10 in 2021. So, like I said initially, we decided to work with the objective that was given to us for this hackathon. So the first one was the second one was to get theory craft potential vulnerabilities into their system. So using the same security testing guide, we got a map application architecture where it is stated that when a pen tester is carrying out a penetration test, they ask to the web language, the web application firewall, the reverse proxy, the database, and other components of the system has to be identified and clear segmentation delineations to be between them. Based on what was given to us as the architectural input, the did not find any web application firewall, and we browsed across C and the architectural model for the Sense-Work financial analysis application. We have uploaded this and put it down as part of our recommendation for them that to the data. And the other potential vulnerability we discovered in the system is that they are using some third-party integration and tools, application and tools. Like if you want to use for their platform, what it actually does is you register. When you make an intention that you name some financial analytics and you register on the platform, they will give you a URL endpoint as a customer that is like is a software as a service. So they made it for you, Taylor made it for you, they give you the URL and it's containerized. So you are the only one that has access to that container. So on that particular container, you can upload a data that you want to see the analysis of those data. Maybe you just upload some Excel data and you want to see some graphs, some meaningful graphs of the financial of your organization. That's what it does. So apart from that, uploading your file yourself, there are some third-party integration like startup companies that you can collect and connect their data streams and connect their data stream to the platform, and they are able to see the data from all those other platforms. They also have some common tools they use, like they also have some common tools that they use, and we also discovered part of their JavaScript library. We found this Lodash. Prior to the other versions of this Lodash library was vulnerable. So fortunately for the Sense-Work financial analysis application, they have
Jo, fast vi har ju inga vinnare än.
for the
Det blir först
there are some vulnerabilities based on their tech stack, and that is what we have. So we take it a little bit further by also doing some vulnerability scanning of the environment. So we now have like 10 infrastructural tech stacks from them. They gave us like 5 from the architectural model. So using Waffleizing, we also got other tech stacks. One of them is the Lodash that we mentioned before. So one of the most common, to check the vulnerability of any application or website or any service, the most common and the industry standard is to use the CVSS, which is the Common Vulnerability Security Score that is funded by the Department of Homeland Security and the Cyber Security Infrastructure Security Agency of the United States. So on this particular open source website, you can check the vulnerability score of a particular application or tech stack, and that is what we did for all of the tech stack from that we had, and we score that is what we had. If we had enough time, we would have ranked this based on how critical they are to the system. So the third objective was the potential attack vectors into their system. So like I said initially, they are working with third-party integration like startup and companies, and they have third-party common tools. So these two, using third-party integration and third-party common tools, is prone to supply chain risk. So we have documented this as part of the report that we are going to be sharing with them. So in the Gartner report for 2022 on the most common trends in information security, digital supply chain risk happens to be one of the 6 most common. So most organizations are using some libraries, some tools and applications that they don't even know they are using. So around December of last year, there was vulnerability, zero vulnerability, so a lot of all the Log4j,
Se-
which is
serie
Log4j is an application that is used to log most of the logging and monitoring system of the application. And some companies don't even know that they have this application. So without proper documentation, vulnerability and partner documents, there can be issues with this kind of system. So part of our recommendation was that SenseBox should have proper attack surface management and vulnerability management so that all the third-party security and third-party they can better manage them. So they are using React for their front end. So React, so what we did is can be is prone to cross-scripting attack. And one other very important thing that we discovered in the architecture was that when you upload the file, there is no way to check the integrity of that file. So the file just directly from the SIE that they use for file upload goes directly to the Postgres SQL that they use for their application. So our objective was to try out some penetration testing, and these are the result of this penetration testing. And the result of the endpoint URL that was given to us. So they gave us this endpoint,
we are
like the replication of what their customer
where we were
endpoint
given
for the financial
some
analysis.
problem that we need
So it doesn't have so
to
much
solve, and
information,
it's about the Shell account. They want to build a new building that is called the ACE building that is not supposed to use energy from the electric operator. It's supposed to produce its own energy using solar panels, but when this is not enough, it's supposed to grow some
So we also carry out
energy from
MMAP.
the buildings. So
We
it's going to be a whole
network map
collaboration between all the
most
buildings.
common connectors for information gathering.
Very,
So we MMAP the IP address and we got some. We see that the web service port is open for both the HTTP and the HTTPS. So luckily for them, we were not able to get the version of the engines web server that they are using. So this is actually, if we have had enough time to look more into this, and this is a common attack can happen. Let's assume that the version of the engine is an old version. So we also, like I said initially, we use this formalizer to get some of the frameworks that they are using. They are using for their analytics, the JavaScript framework, and the issue tracker, the security, the HSTS is a form of transport layer security. The Lodash is a JavaScript library, and it also shows us the version of the JavaScript library. So all of this was not supplied to us as part of the system company. Found it out ourselves. So using one of these, we can try and check if there is vulnerability. Like for example, check the Lodash one. So they are using the latest version, which is secure. So this was the architectural model that was given to us, and we feel that the common third-party integration, there should be some authentication and authentication between them. They should not just access
klura våra små huvuden tillsammans så att säga och utse det.
That's part of our report. So this is SRE Lodash where you put the file into the system, and when we talked to Robert, he said from when you load the file, you don't get into the Postgres SQL, which is not good enough. There should be a form of file integrity here. So let's assume a corrupt file is loaded into a corrupt file can be loaded into the system. The risk is still low because it's a containerized platform, so it's only going to affect only that. these are some of our pen testing. We also try to automate the scanning process by using an open source online scan. So it correlates results from 3 different web scanning applications: OpenVAS, Nmap, and OpenVAS, and I can't remember the last one now. So we got the result. One of the vulnerability that was discovered, vulnerability was discovered. One of it was the missing anti-tracking error, S-content error, and the achieve control directive. So if we have gotten more time, we would have looked into these vulnerabilities more and see if they are exploitable. So this is our recommendation. Like we said, we do not see a clear segmentation from a part of the architectural model. Maybe they have another part of architectural model that they do not share with us, we did not know. And they are critical staff, so there should be authentication and authorization between them. Like here, from the third-party integration to the nearby, which is a data streaming third party. So just an in-between. There should be a kind of firewall or authentication mechanism between them layers. So those are part of our recommendation that we have supplied to them. So we also recommend that you should have an attack surface management and vulnerability management. So, and the firewall is very, very important too. So it's a cloud-based service, even though it's not a public-facing service, because only the customer that is giving the endpoint URL knows about the endpoint. So, but we still feel that they should have firewall. They should have the firewall on the system. Thank you very much.
Robert was very sorry, but he had to go to the doctor with his daughter, so we couldn't hear your presentation. But Saguna, do we have any comments?
Yeah, I think that you did a good job in this short time, because it's not easy to do a pen test and do the entire analysis for the entire application. So good job with that. Did they provide you with this architecture that you showed? Yes. Okay. And you will send them the report that you prepared now. Did they also say, because I missed that part, did they say what, I don't know exactly what the company does, so when they say they are
Financial analysis. The central provides financial analysis for organization. So like you have a text file or an Excel file, and you want to see a beautiful graph of your company financial, you just upload it to the website, and it's going to show you some time series, so different combination of data. That's what it actually does.
Thank you.